welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. So I am here today with you guys to share with you my Friday favorites and fails. This is a series that I do every week. On Fridays I want to share with you guys what I've been loving throughout the week and something that maybe I have not been loving throughout the week. We're just gonna go ahead and get started. I don't have a lot. This week I didn't plan a lot of makeup like I normally do. It's just been kind of one of those weeks and I was not really up to doing a whole lot of makeup and stuff, so I didn't do a ton, but I did use several things and I wanted to share those with you that stood out to me, excuse me. Epic fail is always having lipstick on my teeth or over here on the side. I don't know why that happens to me all the time, but it does. Okay, so one thing that I have truly been loving this week, and I want to share with you guys because I got this at TJ Maxx, and it was a couple months ago, but I have seen them still. This is a sponge. It is kind of dirty. I used it today from Julep. It looks like that. It's so soft. This is from the brand Julep, like I said, and this I got for $3.99, which was very good. Because Julep can be very pricey. They have really nice brushes, and I have several of their brushes as well. But it's a really nice sponge. I have used it all week whenever I put my makeup on, and I will say that it does not soak up a lot of product, and it's just super soft, and it just blends everything into the skin so nicely. As you can see, today I'm wearing my ColourPop tinted moisturizer. Excuse me, I cannot talk. But yeah, I have truly been enjoying this all week and I have used it. It's so soft and just so nice. So definitely check your TJ Maxx for that. And I know they had some Laura Geller ones as well that are very similar. Not the color wise. These are purple and the other ones are pink, but with the same pattern here. And they're both really nice, and I do definitely recommend them. And like I said, they were less than $5, $3.99, and honestly you can't even get a elf sponge for that cheap. They're $4.99, and you can't even get a Real Techniques sponge. Those are $5.99. Great affordable prices, but definitely that is a lot cheaper, and it's so nice. So definitely check your TJ Maxx and see if you can find those. And I have truly been loving that. This is the Flower Beauty Cream Blush. This is in BL1 Pure Petunia. I shared this with you guys in a recent Dollar Tree haul, and it looks like this. It's like a poppy bright pink, and I shared this with you guys in that Dollar Tree haul. And it is such a pretty color. It's so funny because it reminds me so much of my the one that I recently bought from Fenty. It's right there, and it is what I have on my cheeks today. It's so pretty. It blends out so nicely, and I do it with a sponge, a damp sponge, and it just goes into the skin very nicely. Like I said, it's what I have on today, but it is really nice. I definitely would say for sure that this is a product that I would consider buying for full price, like at the store that carries it. I believe Walmart carries Flower Beauty, and Ulta used to. I don't recall if they do anymore. I haven't seen it that I remember. But it is really nice. So if you guys find these at your local Dollar Tree, definitely pick them up because they are really good and definitely worth $1. Got a ton of these, and so I will be doing several giveaways here really soon, and so I will have this included in that as well, since I do absolutely love it. This is a product that I had gotten in a Allure box, man, many months ago. I can't even remember how long it's been. This is the Dr. Jart Cica Pear Derma Green Solution Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment, and it looks like that. It is not the full size, it is a mini. And this is what the product looks like. It's green. It smells really good. Very like minty and kind of like spa-like. But basically what this is supposed to do is neutralize redness and protect your skin, improve skin appearance to be vibrant with SPF 30. Now, I completely forgot I had this until this week, and I had played in it when I first initially got it, but it just had been sitting here. And this week I have struggled really bad right here in this area with some really bad cystic acne, which is like little clusters of acne, and there's no like where it pops or anything. It just has tons of dry patches. I usually get that around this time every year, the same spot. I don't know what it is, but this week I had saw that it was sitting here, and I was like, oh, this would be perfect. So throughout the week, even on days that I did not put on any makeup, I put this on that red area, and it really did help neutralize. Now, it didn't take the bumps away, obviously, but it took that redness away that would be there. And all of this has also been caused from wearing masks. I'm really going to be picking up a full size of this because I really do like it. I think that it is a really great product. And like I said, it does neutralize that redness. So I just put it on those areas that were red, you know, so I can go out without makeup and not look so bad. And it really did help. Definitely recommend, if you have a lot of red acne scarring, putting this on prior to your foundation, and also still doing a primer. This will be an awesome add-on to your routine because it really does do that. I really think this is a great product, and I don't think I've ever heard anybody talking about that. So yes, this has definitely helped me a lot this week. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Eyeshadow Palette. It's in the shade Sultry Nights. I found this on Amazon for $10, and this was one of those palettes I have had yet to touch. I have had this palette for quite some time, maybe like since May, maybe April, and I had never used it. But this week and last week I was really playing in it a whole lot, and I really do like it. The shadows are really buttery, really nice, very pigmented. Very pigmented. I'm just some of the shades there. Look how pretty that is. I have seen these at Ulta on clearance for $17.99, which is ridiculous in my opinion. And I have seen them at Walmart and Target for regular price. But if you are interested in this palette, definitely check out Amazon because, like I said, they are less than $10. So this was featured in my fall favorite palettes that I recommend you have in your collection. And it's just a really pretty palette, and you can definitely get a ton of fall looks with that. So I have been loving that this week as well. On makeup related that I have been loving this week is this little storage container. I hauled these in a recent Dollar Tree haul and shared with you guys, but I have truly been loving this thing. And the reason why I say that is because I have it right here on the front of my desk, and every time I see it, it just causes me to smile and makes me happy. I don't know what it is, but it's so cute. And I do currently have the lip liners that I'm trying to finish right now. Okay, another non-makeup related item. I shared this with you guys on Instagram. It's really hot because I was just using it, but this is my little tea light holder that I got at the Dollar Tree in that recent haul. And you guys, I have been loving it. It's so hot right now. I have absolutely been loving it. I shared with you guys on Instagram that I recently found the wax melts in the fall scents. I've been using it all week and I absolutely love it. It's in my room, but when I'm in the living room or the kitchen, I can definitely smell it way out there. So don't forget to check your local Dollar Tree because they have so many styles. This is not the only style or color. There are a ton of them and they're so pretty. And you also, like I shared with you guys as well on my Instagram, they have tons of wax melts, and they have a big old pack of the tea lights, unscented, and they have scented as well if that's what you're looking for. But they also have the oils that you can just pour on the top as well for fragrance and still light your candle. So that's also an option. I have seen those and I did put those on my Instagram as well. If you're not following me on there, I would love for you to go over and check it out. I do share with you guys a lot of good finds awesome finds that I think, in my opinion, are good, awesome finds at the Dollar Tree, and I share that with you. On my Instagram, I share pictures, and then on my YouTube, I usually would do a haul and share what I picked up and give you my feedback and all of that on that. 2 fails this week. So one of the fails this week is the Flower Beauty nail polish. This is in the color NP20 Aster Place. Okay, so the reason to me this is a fail, I used this polish on, it looks like that. You guys know I was super excited when I found these at my local Dollar Trees. I did my nails with this on Saturday, and I would say by Sunday afternoon, my nails looked awful. So Saturday, I let it dry completely, went to bed, woke up, my nails were absolutely fine. But once I started doing just regular things, completely were like destroyed. It was so weird. It was already dry completely. I slept through the night, no problem, but then when I got up, they were completely messed up, like had indents, and it was just really, really weird. And then on top of that, later on I decided to do dishes, which is probably not a good thing either when your nails are polished without gloves. Then I noticed that my right hand, because I am right-handed, the left did pretty good, but the right was completely like gone, like I had the nail polish on for a week or longer. So I'm gonna try this again by putting a top coat over it. This was a fail this week because when that happened and I had just polished my nails the night before, and I'm just going through daily, you know, things, the normal stuff, and my nails completely had messed up, I was like, no. Because I have other polishes like my Wet n Wild polishes, inexpensive LA Color polishes from the dollar that don't even do that. So yeah, that kind of shocked me, and I was a little disappointed because, like I told you guys, super excited to have found these, but I did get some other shades, so I'm going to try those and try a different method with this and see if maybe I just need more coats, because it is a very thin formula. I will say you definitely won't get the color tone off of just one layer. You definitely need 2 or more layers, so maybe that's what I need to do. So for me, that was a fail this week. The other fail for me this week was the Kosas Tinted Face Oil. I got this in my BoxyCharm, and although this is a great concept, and it was a great color match for me, this doesn't do much for people with the kind of skin that I have, which is aging, dry, and also hormonal acne and redness and scarring and all of that. This is for those that do not deal with skin issues and have really nice skin already. You would love this. If you're not dry, you would love this. If you are dry, you will not like this at all, because I'm dry and I feel like it, even though it is an oil, I feel like it's a dry oil. It made my face feel even more dry than it typically is. Once I put on some concealer, hydrating concealer, and a face spray, then it was okay, but I don't like this, and I was super excited for it. I'm going to continue to try to figure out a method that will work using this, but as of right now, I have to say that this is a fail for me, and I'm really sad about that because I was so excited for this. Everything, guys, that I have been loving this week. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments something that stood out to you this week that you have been loving, or even something that you have been using repeatedly for several weeks because you just cannot get enough of it. Even if it's makeup related or non-makeup related, let me know that down in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback and hear what you guys have been loving down below. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, I would appreciate it if you just take a moment to give this video a thumbs up. It does really help my channel. Also, if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. I do have some giveaways coming up here soon. This is going to complete this video for today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, have a great weekend.